Hello YouTubers once more. We are specializing with theorems in the cyclic geometry. We need to prove these theorems to the ladder until we understand them so that we can be able to implement them when solving those problems. Right, now we are going to do theorem 4. Theorem 4 read as follows. An arc or a chord of a circle subtends equal angles at the circumference of the center. We say that the angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Remember, you have done this in grade 11 and grade 10. If I remember well, yeah, it was grade 11. You have something like this. Let me not use this part. You have something like this. This angle is equals to that angle. Reason, they are all subtended by the arc BD. If you don't want to say the arc BD, you can say the chord BD. The same applies here. You stand on that side, A and C is subtended. This is a chord that subtends the angle B and C. This B and D, these two angles are in the alternative segment. They are not in the same segment as arc AC or chord AC. This is the very same theorem. This is the very same approach that you are going to use to solve the problem or to prove the theorem for that an arc or the chord of a circle subtend equal angles at the alternative segment. Right. We have a circle. Here is our circle. Here is our circle. We have A, B, C, and D. Right? We have center O. This is what we are given. We are given center with center O. This is the second with center O, and our center O is somewhere here. Let's say this is our center O. And A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D are the points in the circumference of the circle. We are required to prove that A is equal to B and D is equal to C. Right. We are going to say proof because we are proving now. You start by construction. Tell the marker that I am going to join OA and OB. There is my O. I am going to do this. I'm going to join it like this. I'm going to join OA and OB. Now I will start to work Starting with the statement. I'm sure you are familiar now with geometry. Geometry needs you to have a format of a statement and a format of a reasoning. Right, let's start working. Let's say we have angle A, OB is equal to angle D. What could be the reason for this statement? Remember, in theorem 2, we have used that angle at the center, this angle is twice angle at the circumference. So AOB here is the angle at the center, which is equals to twice the angle at the circumference. This is your reason. Angle at the center equals to 2 times the angle at the circumference. Now we have that as that, and then we come and say angle AOB again is equals to 2 angle C. The same reason angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to angle AOB. They are same angle. Common, same angle. Therefore, 2D is equal to 2C. You divide by 2, therefore D is equals to C. Angle D is equal to angle C. Then that comes to agree with the theorem 4 that says that when the arc AB subtend D and C into alternative segment, then D and C is equal. You can do the same. You take DC as your arc or a chord. You can prove that A is equals to B. I give you a challenge, grade 12. Go and do that. Find out that B is equals to A. By using the same method, here you are going to construct. When you construct here, you are going to say construct OD and OC. You do the same. That will come to match and come out as A is equals to B. Thank you very much, grade 12. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and share the videos so that the other people must have a plug. I cannot thank you enough. The community of Twitter cannot thank you enough to come to YouTube and subscribe to my videos. Uncle Pythagoras signing out. A very blessed day. Thank you.